Hi everyone, welcome to Be Different for Success. Today we'll be talking about millionaire habits. Millionaires share many characteristics that complement lifestyles focused on their businesses, all stemming from their passion, goals, and mindset. Passion drives us to work on what we enjoy. Goals give us a target to focus on. Mindset is the way we think and is usually based on our experiences, our values, and the belief that anything is possible. Here are 11 millionaire habits. Number 1. Millionaires get good financial advice. One of the best habits of millionaires is getting good financial advice before you do anything. Therefore, ask around and find a financial advisor who has already achieved financial success by investing his or her money in the areas being recommended to you. Your ability to choose excellent financial advisors will be the critical factor in making good investment decisions. Number 2. Millionaires investigate before investing. The rule is, spend as much time investigating the investment as you spend earning the money that you are thinking of investing. Fast financial decisions are usually poor financial decisions. Develop the habit of taking your time, reviewing every detail of the business or investment before you even think of writing a check. Never allow anyone to pressure you into an investment decision. A wealthy man once told me, investments are like buses. There will always be another one coming along. Sometimes the best investments are the ones you never make at all. Make it mandatory to thoroughly understand the investment before parting with your hard-earned money. If anything seems too complicated, do not invest your money. Number 3. Millionaires cover their assets. As you accumulate money, learn how to protect your estate from unnecessary taxes and frivolous lawsuits. Invest in a lawyer who specializes in wills and estate planning. Have your lawyer set up a family limited partnership. Transfer your assets into the partnership so they cannot be seized in a lawsuit or taxed away by the government. Number 4. Millionaires create multiple streams of income. The average millionaire doesn't rely on just one source of income. They have multiple streams of income. This allows them to handle any economic downturns while still making money. In most cases, this means having a passive income. This could be in the form of interest from loans, dividends from investments, capital gains, royalties, or rental income. Other sources of income could be side businesses that don't involve active work, such as running a website or selling information products. Number 5. Millionaires always ask. Another important habit that wealthy people have is to carefully consider every expenditure before making it. This involves getting as much information as possible. The power is always on the side of the person with the best information. Develop the habit of effective negotiating. Always sell high and buy low. A good negotiator can save or gain 10%, 20% or more on every financial transaction. The phrase, "it never hurts to ask," couldn't be more true for the millionaire. Develop the habit of asking for higher prices when you are selling and asking for lower prices when buying. Ask for lower interest rates. Ask for better terms and conditions. Ask for immediate payment when you sell and ask for deferred payment when you buy. Ask repeatedly. Ask pleasantly. Ask courteously. Ask expectantly. Ask confidently. But don't be afraid to ask. Ask for what you want, and if you don't get it, ask for something else. Number 6. Millionaires look at money in a different way. Another aspect of the personal life of a millionaire is how they view money. How they spend it is one thing, but how they invest it is another. A millionaire who intends to stay wealthy looks at the earning potential in everything they own. Anything that is a drain on their finances must be stopped or adjusted. Interest on loans, expenses to maintain a house, a car, or a bad habit cannot continue if wealth is to be maintained. A millionaire looks at his or her personal life in the same way. People who suck your energy, are negative, or wallow in unhealthy lifestyles are relationships you have to sever. After all, becoming a millionaire is not the real goal. The real goal is being a millionaire for the rest of your life. Number 7. Millionaires hang out with other successful people. You are the company you keep, and millionaires are selective about who they keep as friends. They are always on the lookout for individuals who are success-oriented and who have a positive outlook. People with similar habits, mental outlooks, and work ethics flock together because they support each other. It's easier to reach for your dreams when the people in your life are doing the same thing. While most people make decisions about their friends unconsciously, nothing is stopping you from being intentional about these choices. Invest your time into people who are trustworthy, loyal, hardworking, accountable, disciplined, passionate, and enthusiastic. It's equally important to avoid negative people and influences, including destructive criticism, which can derail you from pursuing your goals. Number 8. Millionaires read for self-improvement. One of the best habits of millionaires is that they are voracious readers. Millionaires are thirsty for knowledge. They read to improve themselves and understand the world around them. Some reports say that 85% of self-made millionaires read over 2 books a month, focusing on biographies, self-help, technical information, and current events. Number 9. Millionaires just do it. Exercise. Exercise is not just for your body, but also for your mind. So when you want to change how you think, start by working out your body. The exercise can be cardio, resistance, or flexibility training, but you should always make time to work out. Exercise is also a form of meditation and can help you think better. Research shows that when you exercise, blood flow increases throughout your body and your brain. More blood means more energy and oxygen to help you think. Millionaires know this trick and know that a bit of cardiovascular exercise will kickstart their brain and help them overcome any mental roadblocks. Number 10. Millionaires get up early. 50% of self-made millionaires wake up at least 3 hours before their workday actually begins. It's a strategy to deal with inevitable daily disruptions, such as meetings that go too long, heavy traffic, staff absences, etc. These disruptions have a psychological effect on us. They can flood our subconscious, causing us to believe we have no control. Waking up early to tackle the top 3 things you want to accomplish in your day allows you to regain control. Number 11. Millionaires dedicate 15 minutes a day to just thinking. Thinking is the key to their success. The rich tend to think in isolation, in the mornings, and for at least 15 minutes every day. They spend time brainstorming about things from careers and finances to health and charity. They ask questions such as, what can I do to make more money? Does my job make me happy? Am I exercising enough? What other charities can I get involved in? Final thoughts. A millionaire's personal life will take on the same characteristics as their business life. It will be one that values good health, hard work, creative endeavors, and focus. Studies show the things their passions span a great many things. People have become millionaires in different fields because it isn't the type of work that matters. It's about finding what makes you happy, excited, creative, and content. Where do you spend your time? Get creative about seeking possible careers in that area. It's not the career that makes the millionaire. It's the hard work and a passionate job. You see a need, you see something that doesn't work well, and you find a way to improve upon it. Creativity can fuel your brain and your energy, but being creative is not enough. Examine yourself. If you are not a millionaire, then you have to consider that you have not developed the right mindset, habits, and passion. You can do that. Anyone can do that. You can start this minute. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please click the thumbs up and write your personal tips in the comments below. Thank you for your support, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more from us. See you in the next video.